Have you ever drunk an isotonic? Do you know what it is? Well, an isotonic is a drink made of water, carbs, minerals, and vitamins. Its composition is similar to the structure of blood plasma, where the nutrients are ingested in eating and give our bodies energy and health. Did you know that isotonic drinks are all the rage now? With inviting flavors and colors, isotonic drinks are turning into everyone's favorite beverages in the last few summers, especially for athletes who need to replenish their fluids after workouts and exercises under the hot sun. Isotonic drinks are also a good option in cases of nausea or vomiting, since they help hydrate the body and offer a significant amount of nutrients for the blood. If you haven't tried an isotonic drink yet, why not make this natural homemade recipe? Nature has its own isotonic drinks, like coconut water and watermelon juice, but you can do your own versions at home, like this one we will see now. Write down the ingredients: 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 pinch salt, 1/16 of a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons orange or lemon juice, cold water. In a glass bottle, add all ingredients and shake it well. Drink it cold before, during, and/or after physical activities. Attention, diabetics can't eat sugar, so replace it with a natural sweetener. Hypertensive people should not drink any type of isotonic. Hydrating during workouts prevents muscle cramps, helps control body temperature, and offers other benefits. If you want, you can make your isotonic in the morning to start your day full of energy. And what's even better, you can fit your isotonic in any moment of your day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.